Welcome students, this is Varsha CBSE Maths 10th Trigonometry lesson, your 8th lesson. So this is your exercise 4th exercise 8.4. So this is your 5th question. See, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are divided. So we are going to prove this identity. See, but this is an identity we are going to prove by using that three identities. So what are the three identities? You have to recall that. Okay. See what are your identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So what is the next identity? 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Then 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So these are the main three identities. See which identity we are going to use, students. This is your LHS, this is RHS. So RHS, you have to derive this answer. So for that, we are going to use this identity. Okay, so from that, you can give two more results. What are the results? If you have sin square theta as LHS, 1 minus cos square theta, this will be your RHS. See, if you keep the cos square here as LHS, this is 1 minus sin square theta. So this is the main identity. Okay. So what are the reciprocals? See, you have to recall the reciprocals every time. So that is important. So first one is cosecant, means the reciprocal of sine. See, what is the next one? Secant, that is 1 by cos. Then cot is equal to 1 by tan. And special case, tan is equal to sin by cos. And cot is equal to cos by sin. So these are the important reciprocals. Okay, so with these reciprocals we are going to do this sum. So you have to know the reciprocals and identities clearly. So with that you can do the sum very easily. Okay, with simple steps we can do that. So see, take your LHS. What is that LHS, students? In this sum, the LHS is equal to cosecant square, here the not square, cot the whole square. See, this is your question. See, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So I am going to substitute here 1 by sine minus cot can be written as cos by sine. So this is cos by sine, the whole square. Do you understand this step, students? Yes? Do you understand? Just you have replaced cosecant 1 by sine, cot cos by sine. So now see the denominator. Denominators are equal. So we can subtract in the numerator by sine. So totally it is a whole square. So you can write separately. It means 1 minus cos the whole square. Denominator sin square theta. Do you understand this step, students? Yes? You take it, subtract 1 minus cos by sine whole square. So separately you are giving this square. So 1 minus cos the whole square, denominator sin square. See, you should not split that, okay, into algebraic 1 a square minus 2ab plus b square. No, because the answer should be 1 minus cos. Okay, so you keep the numerator as it is. So for sine, you have to change the sign. Okay, why ma'am? Because the answer is full of cos. So we have to change the sign into cos. So we can write that the sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. So this is 1 minus cos square. Okay, see, this is, what is the formula, students? This is the formula of a square minus b square. See, a square minus b square. So what is that formula? it is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. Okay, so this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we are going to write, split it, a plus b, a minus c. So what is our a? That is 1. So 1 plus cos and 1 minus cos. Okay students, so what is our next step? See, this is whole square is there. So we can split into 2 times. 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos. In division, numerator 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. Okay, do you understand this? So 1 minus cos can be cancelled because here multiplication sign is there. Multiplication sign, if is there, only you can cancel. Without that, you should not cancel. So many of the students just cancel cos. No, because see the sign, here minus sign, you should not cancel. But here the minus sign, multiplication sign is there, so you can cancel. Okay, see, so now what is your answer? 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. Yes, see, have you get your right hand side? Yes, so we got the answer, 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. So this is what your answer we got simply with only 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay students, do you understand? So when the sum is easy, when you know the identities and the reciprocals and the algebraic expressions thoroughly, you can do the sum easily. So please students, I hope you all understand, but after seeing the video, please do the sum and subscribe the channel. Okay, so you will have a symbol, okay, subscribe, it is written in red color. So please click the subscribe button. Okay, thank you students.